the governor for Western Highlands.
Thank you, Mr. Acting Speaker. Milak talk good morning through all the leaders. This morning, before me ask him question, me like talk big sorry through long. Neighbor me, Emil stop sit long Honorable Lutawanga, Governor Blomorobe. Mr. This morning Parliament sitting aste last 2 days now, trade day. Mr. All people of Morobe, all family, only look me blessed and only my sorry and only feeling no good stuff. So me like talk sorry all too. Me like talk question blow me you know got talk savvy golong Minister of Police. Me got two question. One plan Minister all Rascal been suit him one plan Western Islands leader where bus driver and Emi Dailo Antaplo Combre lo Kainen too where you mean Highlands you got this AVM and big plan stop. And by you me him now. Highlands Highway and one very important highway for Yumilo country. Today you meet talk walking Planty Road. You mean connecting Planty Province, Planty Walk, Prime Minister, Highlands Highway too now you play making big walk now. Highlands Highway may come up good through now. Walk highway from Haganigol Lay. Again, I'm improved through. Now, all got up and sealed now. The highway now I'm good through. Me commenting you and them government you na works department minister. One time previous government belong only to. This la question blow me now. You mean must got safety plan blow this highway now because. Plenty of innocent man walk die highway. This highway am the only asset this country got. Now am actually food basket blow this country too. You me got LNT, Loela, Pokra, coffee, tea, all the kaike long or some cow plenty of vegetables come on top of this highway too. So me like asking this parliament, not to police minister, please, you must got serious plan those highway now. And one very important road connecting Mibla. Now this country come alive, Lord, this Highlands Highway. Now I'm one important asset you got. Now I'm connecting plenty of provinces. Now you must got serious plan belong. This Highlands Highway. Now you may looking plenty old man all the time will come blocking my way. Long Western Islands, na long council election to you may looking old man come blocking my way, nothing. Antap lo henga, lo gorga, lo one money got heavy, all will come blocking my way. So highway am one very, very important asset you may got lo country so. You may must cut serious plan plus highway. Plenty man die long. Road law, Namelo, Madeng, plenty man die Antaplo, Highlands Highway. Car accident they mean up. But all man come out on the gun, shoot him down, driver or some point blank. I mean, on the good la passing him so him la country. So you must got you must set him up sample all post where all highway patrol him as round now. Shoot him down also like a man. Plenty of sick man, the society staff where come out and make him all passing where. And make him bad name look like country so.
Honorable Governor, you can ask him question, do you?
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Police Minister.
Honorable Governor, you ask him question law. Minister, one name question do you?
Me or some Police Minister Emikat one can plan blong this Highlands Highway, safety blows Highlands Highway. Not two all must work seriously along, arrest him, slam man emi shoot him, bus driver belong again. All arrest him and finish on that because people lugum media also all arrest him one man finish. Is that true or not? God? On putting me one time governor belong. Eastern Islands, Lord, last 2 weeks, middle last table pressure. Pressure mix him and up to. So middle of Salim all peace money will come welcome this law. So I'm now your leaders long Western Islands now leaders Eastern Islands and maybe stop na melo yumi. Situation is still tense. Thank you.
Honorable Minister of Police.
Thank you, Assistant Speaker. Namitok, thank you. Long Governor Blomilo, Western Highlands. First and foremost, me appreciate him good pla walk and walk make him antap long Western Highlands too. True one time all Narpla district members belong him lo side long supporting walk pla police. Two pla important question. Assistant Speaker, first pla question lo side long arrest. Bami kisim good pla information long. How far you go want them arrest or status belong this particular question. We can provide him back to you in the next sitting. Long second, ask him long important threat because our national highway, the Highlands Highway, is our critical infrastructure of our country. It is the national highway, and therefore it needs national interest that demands all of us to be providing a necessary support for it. Long Save Blumi, as I've been informed, in terms of road security, it is a standard that for every 60 kilometers, by standard, every 60 kilometers, there must be a highway patrol base. So plenty time you make more roads, and this has not just come just recently. It's been a standard that's been set. Now, however we've done before, how we've been delivered on the national highway, you may just look now long. Currently, the status, if we have enough police patrol base along the Highlands Highway. So, me like just give him answer long. Governor, you ask him, do you? Yes, you may need more presence than ever in terms of the support around police patrol base along the Highlands Highway. Each district along the Highlands Highway, by law, in terms of the standard of having 60 kilometers within the length and breadth of the highway, there must be a patrol base. If there isn't, this is something that we are now working towards. Yumi Save, Bigpla, Hanmak long, government is not before it long walking broad. But whether you may fulfill him in terms of meeting the standard, that's something that we already captured now in our, what we call our police partnership assistance program, Assistant Speaker. So me just like give him belly seat also, Governor, Naulgata leaders. The standards of policing on the road has already been set. And that is something that we all need to live up to when we're delivering on national highways. So this me hope me napim ask him long Western Highlands Governor. Thank you.